Today we're releasing our CNC-ported throttle body for L83-powered trucks. Our CNC-ported throttle body for LT1, LT4, and L86 has been one of our most popular products over the last year or so. We had a lot of inquiries about the L83 because it's a unique throttle body. It's not compatible with the LT1, LT4, and L86. So we applied the same technologies, we machined the shaft, and ported the inlet for improved throttle response and a few more horsepower. The throttle body is hand assembled and each unit goes to an electronics function test to ensure quality. If you have an L83 powered truck, check out katechengines.com to order yours today.